Computer Class 3. Good morning, children. Today's topic is Computer Software, Chapter 2. In this lesson, you will learn about hardware, software, and types of software. Children, let us learn about a computer system now. A computer system consists of two components, hardware and software. Let us learn about hardware. The parts of the computer that can be touched are called hardware. All the input, processing, output, and storage devices such as keyboard, mouse, monitor, speakers, printer, scanner, DVD, pen drive, etc. are hardware parts of a computer. Some hardware parts are inside the CPU box, such as hard disk and CPU. Children, let us see some pictures of hardware parts. The first one is keyboard, mouse, monitor, speakers, printer, scanner, pen drive, DVD, CPU and hard disk. So the hardware parts can be touched. We can see and feel it, and we can also touch it. Now let us learn about software, the second main part of a computer system. Computer hardware cannot work by itself. It needs step-by-step instructions are called software or programs. A software helps us to give input to the computer hardware. It also helps the computer hardware to process the input and convert it into output. Hence, a software is a set of instructions that tells the computer how to perform a specific task. Now children, you need to understand this. What is a software? A software is a main part of a computer which gives the orders to the computer that how to perform step by step. Okay? Now let us see the games you play on a computer are examples of software, like Candy Crush. It is a game you play on your mobile phones, computers, laptops. So these are the examples of software. Now let us learn about types of software. There are mainly two types of software: system software and application software. Let us learn about system software. System software controls and manages the overall activities of a computer system. So, the system software is like a manager of a computer system. The main job of the system software is to prepare the computer for you to work and run application software. Operating system is an example of system software. So children, you need to understand how the system software works in a computer system. First of all, I have already told you a software work is to give orders or instruction to a computer. Which work has to be done, how it is to be done. Okay. Children, do you know what are they? Yes, these are Microsoft Windows. Let us learn about them. Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system available today. It has different versions like Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. System software. System software is a very important part of a computer system. Without system software, the computer is like a car without a driver. The system software also controls the working of the computer and makes the computer hardware understand the instructions given by the user through the application software. I hope children you have understood what is system software and how it works, and it is also a very important part of a computer system. Now let us learn about application software. Application software helps us to perform a specific type of job. For example, you draw and color pictures in Paint software, but you cannot play a movie or a song in it. You can see here in the picture, you have to open this window and you can draw and color the pictures with the help of these options. To play a song, you need to run the Windows Media Player, which is another software specially designed to play movies and songs. So children, in this Windows Media Player, you can play movies, you can watch movies and you can also listen songs. Hence, Paint and Windows Media Player are examples of application software. Now children, let us learn about some other application software. They are MS Word is used for typing letters, applications, articles and essays. As you see in the picture, here is the application software which is called MS Word. It is in your computer where when you open it, you can type anything like sentence, word, and if you want to write stories or essays, anything you can write on this MS Word. Next is MS PowerPoint is used for creating presentations. So my dear children, we teachers are using this PowerPoint to make presentations. We prepare your lessons in this application software which is called MS PowerPoint. Okay. Next is Adobe Photoshop. It is used for creating and editing photos and designs. So this is one of the application software called Adobe Photoshop, where you can make or create any pictures of yours or your friends and design it. You can see here in the picture a girl is carrying a teddy bear and how it is created. Children, I hope you have understood the lesson. And now it's time to do some exercise. Answer the following questions. Give one example of system software. The answer is operating system is an example of system software. Name the application software which is used for creating and editing photos. Answer is Adobe Photoshop, used for creating and editing photos and designs. Define hardware. The answer is the parts of the computer that can be touched are called hardware. Define software. A software is a set of instructions that tells the computer how to perform a specific task. The games you play on a computer are examples of software. Next question is, what is an application software? Give one example. Application software helps us to perform a specific type of job. Paint and Windows Media Player are examples of application software. Now children, it's time to do some homework. You have to do page number 23, crack the code on your book. So open the page 23 of your computer book. There is a question, crack the code. You have to do that in your book and show me. Thank you.